Just when many of us had accepted that snow was not in the cards this year and we may have an early spring, February arrives, and with it we have frigidly cold temperatures and this white stuff that is on the ground. What kind of an impact has this late arrival of winter weather had on our local real estate market? Hi, I'm Mike Doggett from Windermere Real Estate, Citigroup. In this short video, we'll take a look at the 2025 activity level of the Spokane area real estate market so far. I read where many people felt like January of 2025 was the longest year they had ever had. The long nights, short days, and cold temperatures during winter can make days seem so much longer than they actually are. Have the long nights and short days sent our buyers and sellers into hibernation? Not according to the latest statistics put out by the Spokane Realtors. 2025 home sales market opened strong with 319 single-family homes selling in January, which was almost 12% higher than January of 2024. The median price that these homes sold for was $390,000, which was up by 1.3% from a year ago. Inventory at the end of January was 934 units, or 2.9 months supply, which still shows we are in a seller market. But compared to the 712 units last January, or 2.5 months supply, we are still trending closer to a balanced market. The number of new listings for January was 773 units, compared to 631 units in January of 2024. This is a fairly strong start for this new year, and I am still confident that this year will be a year of stabilization of our real estate market, where both buyers and sellers will benefit from home sale or purchase. February, at least for me, has shown a fairly decent uptick in activity, even with these cold temperatures and snow. Our spring market is just around the corner. Are you ready for it? Give me a call, text, or shoot me an email if you have any questions about real estate or want to know what the market value is of your house. I'd be honored to help guide you through the real estate process or provide you with a market evaluation of your current home. I hope you have found this information useful. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and if you have any additional questions about real estate or the home buying or selling process, you can comment below or contact me directly. Please share this with anyone you know who may be considering a move to our beautiful Spokane County area. Once again, thanks for taking the time, and we'll talk to you soon.